YouTube, what the fuck is up? Last video you're gonna be seeing on this GoPro. I'm about to go pick up a new camera, but first we're gonna smoke a little bit, have a little sesh on our live stream. If you don't know, we live stream on YouTube and Twitch. The links are in the description. Come hang out, we smoke weed. Some of that, all right? Hit the like button, hit the subscribe thing. Big shout out to everybody that's been liking the videos, commenting, showing love, support. Fuck, man, we've been growing like crazy. I don't know really what I'm trying to show you, but here's my room. Let's go get a camera. Let's smoke some weed. No key, no push to start. What the fuck is this thing? It's brake to start, I guess? Tesla. It's super weird. We're about to head to Best Buy. I gotta stop at a grocery store because I just saw that we're doing a food drive, so I gotta get some canned food for the dispensary. God, we can't come empty-handed. That'd be fucking weird. And then we're going to the dispensary. So Best Buy, canned food, dispensary. Here we go. They didn't have any on the floor, so they're checking in the back right now. Please, I just want this camera. Please, 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 please. All right, 2 bags of cans. We got it. Let's get back to the car. Dispensary is like down the block. Hopefully I remember to send this clip to Hash because it's on my phone. Let's go. They had the camera in stock, baby. All right, so hopefully the battery has a little bit of charge. I grabbed a memory card. If not, I have a memory card right here. And let's start vlogging on this. We're going to the dispensary. All right, let's unbox this bad boy. Hopefully the battery has a little bit of juice. What is this? Little fuzzy fucking thing. Charger. Okay, here's the battery. Please come a little juiced. Please. Please, 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 please. Damn, damn. Wow. Check it out. Yeah, it's pretty fucking nice. It's a little thick with that fucking lens, but you know, we wanted to make it fucking juicy. All right, let's see if this has any juice. Okay, you can pop that open. Please, juice, 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 any juice. Hello, sir, battery. Any juice, any juice. Fuck, juiceless. All right, we're gonna finish the vlog on this. Maybe I can charge it in my car on the way. We'll see. There it is.
I want to say, okay.
Crazy. So I just got off the freeway, right, on 3rd Street. And I always forget this, but we used to throw our events right here. This building is fucked up now, though. Look at this shit. This is 333 Live, man. This is where Secret Sesh used to be every Sunday. Crazy, man. It's like abandoned now. Holy fuck. I gotta see what the fuck happened to that place, man. Leave a comment below if you watch this video and you've ever been to a Secret Sesh at 333, man. Those were legendary. We threw them every single Sunday for like 4 years, man. It was crazy. All right, we're almost at the dispensary. I'm like 5 minutes away. Let's buy some hash.
So
I don't know what the fuck I'm following, but what the fuck is
near
this?
Our house, and it's all local, and it's fucking
all these
delicious.
fucking cars around me.
All
I'm just trying to go to the damn grocery store and get some canned food.
Right
I forgot. Glad I saw this grocery store right here. Let's get some canned food. Come on.
Local.
OLD G motherfucking KUSH. Let's go. So this right here, this is the new rosin that I was talking about. I smoked it on the stream once. It's only $30 a gram. So make sure you come out to OG KUSH. It's only 30 bucks a gram. This is the shelf right here. Fresh out the fridge. Just like that, the customer service is just too quick. We in, we out. Back on the road, but damn, it's an hour fucking drive home. Traffic is mids as hell, bro. I'm not gonna lie, traffic is super middy. But we're on the way home, man. We got some, I got 8 grams of hash, 6 grams of the Hawaiian Punch, 2 grams of the Motor Breath. We'll show you guys before this video is over. I'll show you guys what they look like. And they're only 30 bucks for the gram. 30 bucks for the gram, bro. It's wild. It's wild. All right, let's make it home. Cue driving montage. fucking beach. All right, we are nearly home. A few more minutes away. I'm fucking hungry. And I want to smoke some of this hash. I'll show you the hash. Maybe I'll open a gram and really show you it. And then, yeah, man, next vlog we'll have a really dope camera. I appreciate you guys for watching this one. Thank you for hanging out. You'll be able to see if this guy's got the best fucking like car decal ever. Yo, hash. If you didn't zoom in on that hash, it's Brittany, bitch. Fucking Michael Scott. All right, we just got home. Got a little Jimtanna camera. Boom, check it out. Sick. We'll get it charged up so we can use it. But more importantly, boom, got a bunch of hash. Ignore the memory card. Bunch of live rosin. I got a ton of the Hawaiian Punch. Woo! This stuff was only $30 for the gram. We're gonna review it. We'll smoke them. We'll check them out. Before this video is over, at the very end, which is in like a few seconds, you'll see a close-up shot of this. And then we'll do a one dab review in the next YouTube video. If you're still here, make sure to leave a comment and a like. I appreciate you. I'll see you on the next one.